morning.
Yeah.
114. Let's go.
Bobber and Apple with the news. They're working together for AI on China phone.
Kind of surprised. I guess the reason it'd be bullish for Apple is their new features in China would maybe drive sales. But yeah, definitely more impact for Baba.
Yeah, and Baba's the one that's not up it's up. Apple was up a bit more, is what I was kind of going at.
Yeah, the Apple pump surprised me on that. Tesla breakdown continues.
Ooh, Amazon just got a big spike. Got $1.50 there. I don't know what happened.
The market's feeling like a short, boys.
I could probably just be like a little fake candle. Let's see. Tesla's still looking weak. Pushing lower.
There's a big old daily order block from 320.
How are there still sellers left on Moderna? Jesus.
Yeah, where's the shares left to sell?
Too funny. I'm playing around with this new oscillator that Sadie made. It's pretty cool.
Oscillator. What does it do?
It kind of goes between 100 and negative 100, but it's got these indicators too that you put in with it. He's, I don't know if people know, he's a long-time computer tech, engineer, tech executive, and he just kind of makes these tools and puts them out for free, But I've used this Levels and this Cloud and stuff like that, but just gonna kind of keep an eye on this oscillator here.
I guess you gotta be on Thinkorswim. Don't get as much developer level.
No, they don't. I think he's got. Let's see. I'll tell you something here. He's got. Yeah, he's got TradingView and Thinkorswim is what he does. For you TradingView fanatics.
I am a fanatic.
Yeah. That is SATYLAND.com. SattyLand.com.
I'm in Q pumping up here into 730s.
We open right at the fib. I'm watching at 60.45 SPX.
My Pfizer puts are working. Double.
Oh, that Amazon did get that spike. It is continuing that spike there at the open. Let's see, Google. Honestly, everything's getting a nice little bounce back. Meta dipped right into that 712 support. $2 bounce so far. AMD pop right at the open. Tesla down. PLTR, new all-time high. Where's Himothy? Himothy at 45.
Oh, shoot. From red pre-market to green.
Yeah.
Dang, Palantir.
Yes. She don't give a fook.
So the big picture, if SPY doesn't reclaim 603s, I think we'll retest 600-ish.
Amazon with a big push. If we get into 234, I could look for a short.
I haven't even looked at my calendar. Let's see what we got.
Shopify reported. That was interesting.
Was it good or bad?
Well, it was red pre-market and it's flipped green.
So Jay Powell is about to get reamed at 10 a.m. about debanking conservatives.
Is that what it is? Yeah. What? I was wondering what it was on. I didn't even.
It's biannual, so twice a year he has to sit in front of the Senate committee one day and House Financial Committee the next day, and then they talk to him. The Senate people, they're a little sharper and they get more time. So this is the spicy day. Tomorrow in the House is not the spicy day.
He gets the dumb people.
He gets the dumb people and people that they have less time. So usually they just use it to monologue and they don't even let him talk.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, random question. Got a friend of mine that lives in Utah, and they had a bunch of internet, power outages yesterday.
Yep.
And they were trying to blame it on the SpaceX launch, for Starlink out of California. And do those two have anything remotely to do with each other?
Honestly, I couldn't really tell you.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I wouldn't see why.
I wouldn't either.
I'm pretty sure Dominion Energy makes all the power there in the valley for them. It's local. It ain't coming from California.
Yeah. I think a bunch of people just kind of took a picture of what they perceived to be a random spaceship in the sky, and it was SpaceX. And they're like, oh, that's why our power and internet are out. But I've never once heard that those launches cause power outages or...
Maybe they use the power grid disrupting chemtrails. You got to watch out for those.
Yeah. All right. Initial balance here between roughly 602 and I think it's going to struggle to get any higher.
Yeah, we're at the 200 SMA on the 5-minute here, and we're at a level of resistance on 772 on NQ. We could dip down a little bit here, maybe right back into the volume point of control, 760. Like nothing crazy, maybe just 10, 15 points. And we did just pump up from right before the open, 85 points right there. We also could just continue to 796, 800. So it could be either way here. So far, they're trying to push it higher.
Yeah, for what it's worth, this is my 10-minute 200 here. I've got, if we reclaim, I've got 603.78.
It looks like they're going to push it higher here. I'm watching Amazon. I'm watching Apple. Google. Microsoft. Meta.
There's green NVIDIA. Dang, that fib level. What? 12 points off that.
Yep. Okay, they're going to push this into 796 here, possibly 812. 819. If they get into that 819, I'm going to be looking for a short on NQ.
I think rejections off of 603.70 is kind of what I'm looking for on spot.
I have no trade yet. always like to wait that 15 to 30 minutes, but if we get into that E19, I think I got to try a short. If Amazon goes into 234.10, I got to try a short as well.
Yeah, my guess is this is a head fake up before a red day, but we shall see.
IWM, not doing much.
It is worth noting my largest volume shelf is in the 605s there, the time frame I'm looking at.
Intel's on one, back over 23+%.
Ooh.
Shout out to my 19 Intel buyers.
Shout out to them fellers.
Yeah, that's a gnarly pop on Apple for sure. It's starting to look like a short up there, though.
Damn, I really want an Amazon to get higher. Fuck.
Upper wick starting to form. So we are at 60.52. Interesting.
Mr. Frank.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir. I'm going to give this a few more minutes.
SMCI update later today.
They have earnings today, right, or something?
Let's see. I'll tell you exactly what it reads. Investors are looking for clarity on whether the company can file its 10K for the year and the 10Q.
Worth noting their 10K extension, they have until February 25th.
Yeah.
So I'd be maybe surprised if they gave it early, but That's what they got.
It's been on a climb off the 26th area, that's for sure. But now it kind of looks like it's starting to break that uptrend. Looking toppy up here. Worth noting, Reddit. Oh, Reddit. Oh, look at that. Oh. Unity. Oof. Ugly. And then everybody's favorite short, Moderna. There you go. And then the Green boys. Team Green is, let's see. Boyle. Peloton. Palantir. I mean, really nothing substantial.
Ooh, MSTR, big bounce on that 330.
Master.
Daily is looking very tight.
I was just looking at coin, funny enough.
All right. Oh, wait, they have earnings this week, don't they?
Who?
Coinbase.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to scalp 60-20 puts right here, and I might regret it. I would say SPY over 603.80. Any close over there, I'm out. About 1/3 size here at $4.20. Just feels like we're stalling out right here at some key areas.
Okay, I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do PayPal swing. Let me see which contracts I want. Hold on.
PayPal.
Yeah. The pal of pay.
Are you wild and nuts?
The pal of pay. I think Casey actually likes this one too. Oops, that is not the one I want. Okay, I'm in PayPal $80 calls for March 21st. Reason is we're on a daily and weekly support here at 76.50. And Q needs to get over the 796 800 here. AMD pushing higher. Ooh, Rivian pushing higher. Coming back. She's coming back. Rivian. Rivian. I felt like there were some names that I'm missing that I liked for longs. Where are they? I swear I'm missing something.
Intel?
Ugh. Don't ever make me throw up again.
There we go.
Down or up? I'm not looking. I'm looking at other names.
I brought up the most punished names in the market.
I think if SPY can get, let's bounce a little bit. I think if SPY can get a close under 602.80. Yeah, that's why I only did 1/3 size though, man. This is kind of like a 50-50 spot, really.
Apple holding the 9 right now. Oh, Google coming down. How many days has Meta been green? Like 16, 17?
Holy guacamole, a lot of days.
I mean, there's red days on there, but it closes higher than the previous day. For anyone that was wondering, because I know some people will say that.
That's a 15.
15-day streak currently?
Yep. Which we're currently on track to break.
Okay, NQ, new high. Pushing through. Pushing through. Um, okay, we're rejecting it. IWM's coming up. If IWM gets to 226.50, I'm short. That was that key area yesterday. Hit it like literally 20 times.
Looking at the daily, if you are long Baba, there is that 117, 118 from the China fiscal policy pump back in October. That's where it stopped. So that's your new resistance levels there.
Did you say China?
I did.
PayPal trying to get over 77 here. That's where it needs to start, obviously. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, we held that 770 level. Got no trades yet, other than the PayPal for a swing. vitamin just gets going, man. What a short head. Ooh, okay. Apple maybe along here. 5-minute inverted, and then now hammering right at 9 EMA and possible support at 229.60. Watching Apple for long. Coin right off support at 273. Now 278.50. So we're watching Apple here.
I just set an alert on Amazon when it crosses 234. I'm gonna jump in long.
You might jump in long. I think, oh, fucking bitch. Apple is pushing. Okay. I should have just grabbed it off the thing. It is a reversal inverted hammer followed by hammer going to push through. That means NQ should probably get a push through as well. That's literally one of my favorite setups. I'm going to make sure everyone sees this again because this is just key.
Ooh, Spy getting some rejection there.
Yeah, Powell talking now.
Apple is fucking ripping.
Amazon on
$1,000,000
nice.
I should have grabbed that. I knew I was going to do it. PayPal over 77. We have $80 calls. We're up over 50 to 60 cents, if share-wise at least. Okay, Amazon coming in. 234.09 is my next resistance on Amazon. Microsoft going up. That is resistance at 412.30. NQ has upside to 819. Oh, it actually hit that perfectly. That was our top wick right there. Watching Microsoft getting into 412.30, I'd look for a short.
Good morning.
Oh, hey, sir.
Hey, sir.
How is you?
Grabbing some coffee, and I'll be getting things going.
Yes, sir. I posted that Apple inverted hammer followed by hammer setup so you guys could see and keep that on note going forward for other charts. One of my favorite setups in this market, 100% doing that. PayPal continuing higher. Let's make up that candle that we had right at the open. Let's do it. What do you say? Take it all back. They're really not going to give me this Microsoft, huh? You little sucker. That Apple trade was absolutely beautiful. I'm kind of upset. Actually, like really upset. Okay, we rejected again on NQ. Where's NDX yesterday? It's at 790.
Following the Democrats' first.
They are talking about
operation,
like choke points, so
1.0.
crypto stuff.
We are
could be
seeing an unfair
of
playing
interest
field that
here.
results.
Okay.
Intel,
You face
5.4%.
Hmm.
Oh God! Everybody go look at Elon Musk's new name.
Already saw it.
Oh, jeez.
What, on Twitter?
Fucking love that guy. He's just
How
a
come-
meme, dude. He's just a memer. Professional meme guy. Love it.
Bro, how come his account doesn't get put in a holding pattern for 3 days?
Watching Tesla if we get down into 341 here for a possible bounce play. IWM. Damn, man, it just couldn't go a little bit more. Same with Microsoft. So close.
Live stream link is up top for anybody in the audience that wants to see my screen.
The goat.
Kind of just accumulating here after that move up.
Yeah.
We haven't hit 15% retracement of yesterday's range, which we don't necessarily have to. It's early in the week. We got close, but I would expect a retracement of that at some point. 650, 450. Maybe we don't get that though, and we make a bigger weekly range. That's totally fine.
Come on, Tesla.
I'm still in that little 1/3 position on puts for now. We'll see if these EMAs hold.
I mean, if I had to choose, I think I'd be short, but I don't hate it.
It's like 50-50 right here at this spot, though. We're kind of above the shorter EMAs and resisting along the 200.
I haven't seen everything I want yet.
If I can find this J-Pal.
Yeah, he's testifying right now.
Right now,
That's what it is.
Warren's monologuing.
Oh, okay.
I'm listening to it, so we'll know.
Gotcha. Yeah, let us know if like any big headlines or whatever come out. But
Right now, they're just at him so far.
Gotcha.
Come on, Tesla. NQ trying to push higher.
We'll see online. We talked about all sorts of things, geopolitics, what sort of golf courses you prefer. It was a great meeting, and obviously, it's a huge.
Are you watching J-Pow on the internet or the TV?
YouTube, the Senate's channel, banking committee channels.
Oh, I got you.
Mm-hmm. Meta pushing higher. Come on, come on. A19 on NQ is going to be that big spot again.
Oh, he just said indicators.
Market conditions and
Must be talking about me. This is reading from a paper on Power Now, so
2%.
no off the cuff surprises.
Tesla pushing higher.
Hey, what do I do if I wanted to post that oscillator just so you can look at it? Well, how do I post it to the top of the nest?
You'd have to make a tweet, and then from there, when you go to like share it, like that share button, the name of the Twitter space will pop up on the top of that little pop up.
Okie dokie. Thanks.
Mm-hmm. Roblox going higher, 66.30 here. Could be a possible short area, but if it busts through 67.12, and then I really want to be short there. This could be the one though, but I'll let it play out, especially with the market trying to push higher. Okay, so if we get 820, we have a lot of upside after that. Come on, give me something, you motherfucker. Come on, Roblox, just bust through. Yes, 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 yes. So 67.15, 67.10 on Roblox is a short. Come on, push through. Don't stop. I want a straight move up so I can short it. Jerome is speaking. Jerome.
Yep, he just finished his prepared statement.
Okay, no. Sorry.
I think we're getting into Q&A now.
Okay.
Hey, nuts. Yeah, check out the oscillator. I like it for larger time frames. It's just a good visual. And if you, I just posted it to the top of the desk. But if you look at the two dots, like especially once it's near positive 100 or negative 100 on bigger time frames, I don't know, pretty funky.
I'll set it up in a few minutes and check it out. Tesla went right into the 90 EMA and rejected here. No, Roblox, go. Don't stop. Don't stop. Algo was along right at the open on NQ, over 110 points so far. Sitting here at 200 SMA on the 5-minute on Qs. Apple new high of day. 232.04 resistance here. Let's see if I can push higher.
You know what else is new high today?
What?
Intel.
What?
My boomer stock is going up.
I think I just threw up in my mouth a little bit when you said that. Microsoft, Meta, Google pushing higher now. Ooh, Tesla is trying to break the 9. Roblox, you little bitch. Come on. Give me something. NQ. So we dipped right into that 9 EMA at 786 there really quick. We're really going to push for this new high here, 819. I'd be shocked if we don't get it in the next few minutes. I mean, that is a strong pullback right into that 9 and then wick right off of it. Should really get this 819 plus within probably 2 to 3 minutes. They keep trying, but they can't get it. When it does break through, it's going to be a really quick breakthrough. They're really not going to do it. Yeah, they're about to break it out. There it goes. Like I said, quick breakthrough. We just got a 9-point move in under one candle, under one trade there. That Apple long. Oh, so disgusting of myself. Disgusted. Apple gets into 233.30. I'd look for a short.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Nate.
How you doing?
I'm good. How about you?
Doing well, doing well. It's been an interesting morning so far.
Yeah.
How's
I
your
am.
trades been?
Nothing yet. I have a PayPal swing that I just started. I missed an Apple long, which would have been $3 now. Yucky. I'm just waiting to actually short Apple 233.30, 233.40. We're at 233.15 right now.
I'm currently in a Netflix put position.
Puta. Got two right here. Come on, get up there. No,
Market's been nuts.
you're doing well right now. Microsoft just got into that resistance here at 412.21. I believe it's 21. Is it? Nope, 412.32. That's what it is.
Looks like it's about to break.
Okay, Apple. I did a little short here. 232.5 puts for this Friday expiration at 205 entry. Coming into resistance here, 233.15 to 233.45. Could see downside here. If it goes a little bit higher, I would look to add at 234, but that would be it. And then a stop loss would be like 234.40, 234.50. Downside on Apple would be into about 232.80, 232.90. That would be my first little trim. NQ pushing higher. Doing well.
I would like to see NQ pull back, but SPY's looking crazy.
Yeah.
SPY's about to try another rally. Amazon has yet to break out.
Yeah, it has not yet. Apple under 222.90. I'm trimming. Be ready. Microsoft right into that resistance. It went a little bit higher. Right into that resistance. PayPal went right back into the support. Bounced. Roblox. Nothing.
NQ's still holding while SPY just hit a lower low.
SPY hit a lower low.
On the 1 minute, nothing crazy, but it can start a small sell-off. At least to 21, 820 on NQ if we can continue. Apple's also trying to pull back, so we'll see if that ends up happening.
We've hit those fib levels I've been talking about. I was just using the swing high and swing low fib retracement settings. And they're just right there on the chart.
Nice.
buying it all back.
Yeah, Apple's trying to get back up now. Let's see.
Wait, Trent, 3-minute term bearish oscillator divergence on Apple. There's 60% strong higher.
Yeah, I just trimmed Apple here. Big dip there. I put a stop and profit at 2.09. Got filled at 224. That was a really good market fill. Holy shit. That was a really good market fill. Respect to the market order on that one. Wow. Apple conjure back at 222. If it gets under this 222.90, it could drop 30 to 40 cents. There goes Apple again if you want to get that trim.
Netflix about to hit a new low day. I feel like Netflix will see 1,002 at minimum.
1,000 what?
1,002 for the stock price.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm hoping for a big dump on that one. I'm also short in Q, so I'm hoping for a solid 20-point move down from here.
Come on, Apple. Keep going. Show us the love. Come on, Apple. Show us the love, baby. Give us a little top tick. What do you say?
There goes them buying it back. Amazon's about to break out too, so see if that ends up happening. SPY's about to break or ES is about to break a new high. SPY's also almost there.
Yeah, I'm almost there for my stop on Apple. It's a couple of cents in profit.
NQ reaction isn't as bullish. We'll see what the reaction is for Amazon and Nvidia.
Come on, Apple. Come on. Get under, you little fucker.
Every SPY dip is getting bought up.
Yeah. Apple, I just got stopped at 209. Okay. Clean little trade. Wasn't crazy, but clean little trade. That's all that matters. Those puppies add up. That's for sure.
SPY and ES new high day. NQ still holding low. We may get a breakout here. SPY all-time high, or no, sorry, not all-time high. This is the FEG from the gap fill, Monday to Friday gap fill area. I want to see if we end up rejecting that 604.62. This was a solid short back in Monday opening.
Yeah, I'm watching here.
SPX is also close to filling that gap.
I'm waiting for another trade. I would love this not Rivian, IWM short at 226.55 if it gets there. Q is about to go green. We are close. We are close. There goes Apple trying to push higher now.
SPY's rejecting right before the zone. NQ still weak, but I would like to see a small pop up on the NQ before we dump. Here comes a potential pop up. Also, I need SPY to break this here so we can get to that zone. There it is. Apple is also still going. Apple Friday the 7th high day is about to fill, so we're going to watch for a reject there as well. SPY is also now in the zone. Potential reject up here.
Apple's doing nice. Powell, once we lower rates, mortgage rates will come down. Don't know when that will be.
And then he says housing supply will improve then.
Oh, here goes NQ.
NQ in the higher day, yeah.
Yeah.
Did housing supply improve in this economy?
What did he say? Apple pushing. You know, a lot of people have been telling me. I used to look at this name a long time ago.
Sky is now at the 62 spot. So we'll see if we get the reject there. It's looking like we're getting some strong candles though. We filled gap on SPX.
You said we filled the gap on SPX?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, time to go through my charts again. Let's see what we got here. Costco pushing
Spy is
higher.
still strong. Retail has been crazy lately.
Yeah. SE. Where are we?
Spy's going for new highs, new higher highs.
Can't really trade that. Okay.
Q does have a massive supply coming up here soon. Going to be between the 21,874 and the 21,885. There's also a few resistances above it, but that one we've seen some strong rejects on. Apple's also getting its first red candle in the last, what's this, 15 minutes. We'll see what ends up happening.
I set an alert on XYZ. If it hits a level, I'm going to look for a long. Yep, there goes Apple breaking through now. And it has a lot of upside here.
Ooh,
So.
Netflix new low day.
Hey, yo.
Let's go.
Microsoft. No go. I mean, to be honest, we're pushing up, but the only thing rising with it is really Apple.
Yeah, that's a big concern. I mean, we can see the weakness on NQ, PPQ. They're definitely trying to hold back, but Nvidia's staying slow. Amazon's staying slow. In fact, Amazon almost hit the lower low there.
I mean, I guess I should take back what I said a little bit. I mean, what I really meant was more so that Apple's like really leading. I mean, Amazon's trying to push a little bit lower. Google's, just walking up. Meta's just walking up. Microsoft's just like walking up. Like, there's no like true strength behind the move compared to what we're seeing. So I have a little caution. If we get into that 880, could be a possible short. If they go to 910, I'm definitely shorting.
Yeah. No, there's definitely no kind of weakness right now. Just pushing us.
They should see that 880 for sure.
I mean, at least every small rally on NQ is being sold off, showing the momentum loss for sure. But nonetheless, it's still hitting highs. That Apple partnership with Alibaba from this morning was interesting.
Yeah, I saw that.
Another new high day on NQ.
IWM is going up. Come on. Push through so I could short you. PayPal trying to get back up again. Was a firm coming into my resistance again? Another dollar on a firm. So firm and IWM is what I'm watching right now. Almost every. What's that?
So mentioning a firm reminds me Upstart reports today.
Upstart. Ah.
Amazon broke down. Not much effect on it, on NQ or anything like that. New high day again on NQ. SPY is going crazy.
Yeah, they're gonna go straight for that 880. Yes, iDubbbz. Yes. Go. 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 Ooh, Tesla just dropped $3. Was there news related or just technical?
I think just technical.
Okay.
I'm waiting for 320.
Hitting a support here right now, like 341.40. I'm not gonna play it though.
That's 21.87.5 on NQ. So resistance from the past. I want to see if we end up rejecting that.
Yes, affirm, go.
The Toronto mayor says she'll be moving to motion to ban Tesla from vehicles for that qualify for a licensing grant.
Oh, so there was news.
It's very small dollar amount.
Okay.
4 to 5 million is the grant.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's that is little peanuts for Tesla.
Finally getting a pullback.
Yeah.
Short-lived though. Nvidia's trying to go higher.
Nvidia. Hmm.
No idea why it's taking this long. Just XMI.
Guy's about to answer pace of runoff on balance sheet.
There goes the dump. This 21,829 might see a bounce, but really just watch the individuals for they're holding or not. Apple's still kind of holding down here. We'll see if they bounce, but Nvidia's will build back there. Same goes with Amazon.
Right into the 9 here.
This was a 35-point pullback. Now we should probably see a bounce. Still, we do have that 21,829 to fill, but we'll see if the pullback is now or Apple is trying to bounce. That's why I'm looking at the bounce there. Amazon's about to re-enter the pre-market, or opening range, actually. Opening range low.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Tesla 339. Yeet.
Yeah. By the way, I went long PayPal.
Oh, so yeah, it hit the weekly level of mine twice. Just chilling down here near the low. I am watching it as well.
And what was yours? Mine was 76.50, just about.
Yeah, that's what mine is.
Okay. I remember we were like almost right on target together.
76.51 is on my chart.
Okay.
Damn, I did a put credit spread on SPY. Be up about 50%. Look at the daily chart on Tesla. Just, oh no. I know there's so many people right now listening that absolutely hate my guts.
How's that?
Why is that?
Because I made a bearish post on Tesla.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
That just tells me that people hold on to their losers, which
And that's what the post was about.
makes it an easier game for us. Go ahead.
So I mean, that's what the post was about, man, is that there's people out here that keep on posting only bullish things about Tesla, and then they post their charts, and they're showing on why they think it's going to go higher. And then a few days... No, you're good. And then a few days go by, and their chart gets invalidated, but then they just post another chart and update and be like, okay, yeah, we're going down here, but I expect, to bounce right here. They just keep finding more bullish and bullish reasons and only posting.
But never bearish.
Exactly. So that's my thing. If you just keep on posting, Tesla drops $10, $15, okay, it invalidated it, but you're not going to say it invalidated. And you're like, okay, next support's right here, we're still good. It breaks that, goes lower. Okay, next support's down there, we still should be good. This just, they don't want to accept the fact that their original thesis and chart or trade went red, and they're just not being transparent. And I've just been seeing a lot of that going on, especially when it comes to Tesla. And I'm not seeing too many people that are posting the flip side of that about the bearish thing.
The only reason people do it is because they have so much value towards winning or losing. I have no value towards winning or losing. Whether you win on a trade or lose on a trade does not make you good or bad, in my opinion. It's your risk to reward, bro. Like how much you fucking make it when you win and how much you lose and when you lose. It doesn't matter. I could care less. Like when I see that, it just goes to show what type of trader that person is, right? It's like, okay, you care more about winning or losing than playing playing your plan and getting a good risk to reward, right? It's trading.
Yeah.
Trading is risk to reward, not win or lose. It's risk to reward. That's all
It just a lot of the messages and hate that I got yesterday. It just shows the people that are trading with their ego and with their pride.
Absolutely.
And I mean, it's
throw that shit out the window, baby.
Let me go ahead and say it right here. Tesla, new low of day. Let's go to 330.
That's right.
I mean,
yeah, I said it on your post. I was wrong. I
was wrong too. I took a loss.
But guess what? That L I took, when I am right, I'll make triple that L.
Right?
That's the difference. When I am right, I will make triple what I lost. Guaranteed.
When Tesla dropped down and got that little hammer candle at 10:15, I said that thing pops back up to 345. You short that bad boy, and look what happened.
PayPal back to 70. 70. 77.
I'll tell you what I see is I do pre-bullish posts, so like pointing out the 320 support, watching that for a bounce. So it's not bearish; it's pre-bullish.
Yeah, I am absolutely going to be doing the same. It's just the overall reason why I posted mine is just there's just a lot of people out there that I saw they post charts on Tesla and then buying calls for February 21st 2 weeks ago when Tesla was at 370, 380, and they're buying 400, 500 strikes, and then it invalidates and drops down to 360. They're like, okay, we're still good. Goes down to 350. Like, okay, post up the new chart. We got big support down here. I'm like, at what point are you just going to tell your followers that you took a red trade? Like, it's okay. Like, it's okay to lose a trade. Like, you don't have to keep on like dragging that bag, dude. Like, just cut it for a loss. Admit that your trade and your chart thesis, whatever it was, got invalidated, and just move on. Because now Tesla's down $40 and you got 10 days to expiration. You're probably down like 85% on your positions.
Guess what's up 8.5% today, Casey?
Ooh, 8.5%?
It's something you don't like.
CELH?
No.
No.
Oh, it's Intel. Yeah.
Intel.
Yeah, I got shares though. I got shares.
Let's go, baby.
So I'm doing equity now on Intel. I'm not doing call options.
Those weeklies, there's some insane numbers looking at that chain.
So I'll do the close expiration. I'm not going to swing it anymore. But if you catch a really good intraday move, especially if there's news or anything like that one day, I caught like 40, 60% on those calls. I'll do lighter size and do those weekly contracts. But for swing positions, I don't think IMTC is that. It's just I'm going to swing anything. It'll just be equity, but catch the big intraday moves when it gives it like this. Holy LMT, let's go. Am I green on my LMT calls? We're coming. We're at entry.
We going for 9.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, let's go, baby. LMT. See Tesla get down 335.
Amazon small pop up, holding the opening low. Google's also opening their opening low. They're holding it.
Ooh, Google just got hammered.
Microsoft's closing in at VWAP. About to see a bounce there potentially.
Elf new high today.
What's going on, Frank? What are you thinking?
I shorted them up higher. I just covered. Just a quick scalp. I just sat there and waited, watched.
The absolute goat.
A lot of watching, I'll tell you, the last 2 days.
Yeah, it might just be don't really do much till after CPI.
I mean, I came in, I was long puts on the close, and I covered them right on the opening. I'm glad I covered them on SPY. I mean, immediately covered on the opening. Made like 30%, and then it's never looked back. This is nuts. I'll tell you, it's a crazy market.
Come on, IW. You little fucker.
Still a reason for us to go higher. I want to see NQ, what's that, 893.75 or ES 6,094.50. Where I look for any shorts. Looks like we want to come hit 822 again.
This is another one of those times where it's like I can make a case for both.
Yeah, you could.
Put a chart at the top of spaces. I quoted my chart from yesterday when LMT hit the monthly trend line at 440 and closed as a green hammer candle on the daily. The chart at the top of spaces is a 4-hour chart showing it now basing and then put in a higher low and also broke a trend line and seeing bullish divergence across the board there and a big move here intraday. So I am still in my March call swings. Tesla new low day. Another new low day on Tesla.
And another one.
And there's another new low on Tesla. Someone sent me a message 20 minutes ago saying that it was hitting some key support and should bounce there. It was around 11 o'clock.
My next one is like 335.60.
Yep, same. Yep. 335 to 330, baby. That's what I'm expecting.
Yeah, I got 335.60 and then 329.94. I mean, basically 330, whichever one you want to call it. I may try long if it gets under, like right at that 335.50. It just fell. Let's see. Just fell. If it goes to that from 344, it fell $9 nonstop. So I could get a nice little bounce.
I mean, I don't know what you call that on the daily. That's 3 shooting stars, 3 black crows. I don't care. I can tell you what it is. Not fucking bullish.
Not bullish.
Dump this bad boy. Look at her go. Oh, you chase those puts and still printed? Let's fucking go. Let's put you up 100% now.
Come on. Drop another 50. Drop another 50. Drop another 50, you little fucker.
I posted a new chart on Tesla. I quoted the one from yesterday, and I was like, yikes. Someone just commented. They said, son of a bitch.
At this point on Tesla, looking at the weekly, it looks like weekly low is 326.50 to me. That's the next range low on the weekly. If we want to go daily,
326.59.
Same level on the daily. That's what I anticipate Tesla's being drawn to now, is that market low, November 27th.
No. It just missed my level by like literally like 5 cents.
That's okay.
They're gonna rip it. They're ripping it.
No, you're gonna be okay. Don't worry about it.
They're bouncing it.
Dude, Tesla could go all the way back to 340, and that still does not mean shit.
Yeah.
Well, like 340 is great, right, in terms of price. At the end of the day, I have nothing here telling me let's bounce.
Dude, if Tesla pops to 340, 342, I'd short it again.
You haven't taken any significant range lows where bigger orders can get filled. None of that, nothing. Obviously, I'm not ignoring the fact that, we can catch like a dead cat bounce somewhere, but in my opinion, once we displace under those lows where I was taking my position last week, it's the next daily lows, and that's 326.50 for me. So now I sit back and wait.
I am watching for a small breakout here on NVIDIA and NQ.
INTC new high day.
Yeah, NVIDIA does look pretty good.
Yeah, if NVIDIA can break out of here, I think we might see high day on that and SPY, but primarily that.
Yeah, there is a Tesla daily gap, 324.68 to 326.59. I definitely see that. I guess my thought process behind it is that's the only point of confluence I have for a potential bounce, and we actually have drilled through that. Well, no, you're talking about the other gap, my bad. Yeah, I see that gap as well, and that lines up more with my level. So I actually do like that because you're getting multiple points of confluence there. I thought you were talking about the gap we just ran through, to be honest. I was like, absolutely, we can see bounces here. It's just the fact that that's your only point of confluence. Tough to bet any money on one point of confluence for me. So, but no, I see you MCP 100%. That lines up with the exact level I'm looking at pretty much. So we'll see. 326.50.
Taking a trim on these elf calls.
Damn, that Tesla. Motherfucker.
NVIDIA and NQ broke out. NVIDIA's about to take a new high day here. Less than 10 cents away.
Okay, I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm gonna have to close this down. I have to go get on a call. I will be back. If you are watching and you're interested in trading live with us every day, take advantage of that limited time free trial at wap.com/BullTradeFinder. You'll get the free trial for the algo and the free trial for the Discord.